Hi everybody, it's Birdie. Welcome back to Positive Bluebird. Let's get crafting for Totally Terrific Tuesday. This is a two-part video. So first we're going to make a card, and this card actually was signed and delivered to Shiloh's grandfather. I make everything pretty self-explanatory, step by step. In the summer of 2018, I created what is called Positive Plant Perks. And here's what you'll need. Don't forget the Mod Podge, and you can find this at Dollar Tree, and a hot glue gun. I love my paper slicer, and I found that at Hobby Lobby years ago. You'll also need some cardstock. And you'll find these colored popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. I like to pre-cut a lot of my paper and put it in a container with a lid. And then I also like to sort through a lot of my stickers, and I just organize pretty much everything so it is ready to go. Set aside any kind of cardboard, such as the inside of a pizza box as long as it's clean, and maybe some cereal boxes to use as your cardboard. These are cute buttons, and I pushed these little darling eyelets through the center and then glued them in the back. For the most part, you will be using stick glue, and just rub a little bit on the paper and then on the cardboard. I like to do a couple of them at a time. And then you can use the back of your scissors and rub it straight and flat. Just get really creative with this fancy paper. You can place it and glue it any shape or design in any direction. These stickers came in handy. And now we're going to cover the popsicle stick. And don't worry about the bottom part because that's going to be tucked in the dirt. And here is where your hot glue is going to come in handy to glue the popsicle stick on the back of the cardboard. Also for the buttons and embellishments. Now for my favorite part, which is using the Mod Podge. What this does is it seals in everything, such as the stickers, the paper, and basically protects it from any water damage. It also makes it a very beautiful shiny coat. Here are some older projects I made with wax last year around the holidays. And wooden embellishments and beads. This is so much fun that even your kids can get involved. Thank you for joining everybody, and let's get creative every day. Peace out and stay positive.